So, good day, sir. In this session, we will going to demonstrate, create and link a GPO part 2. So, this is the continuation of the last video. So, in the last video, we did create the disable Internet Explorer GPO. So now we are going to create a GPO that prevents any user from running Internet Explorer to a specific computer. So the last disabled IE or disabled IE GPO that we've created is enabled only on a specific user, which is the Clyde Balaman user, our professor. So let's check that to verify. Let's click group policy management. Let's wait. Our PC is too slow. So here is the GPM, group policy management. And as you can see, the GPO is still in there. So let's delete it and create another GPO with different constraint. Or okay. So Clyde Balaman session already deleted disable IE GPO. So now we can run Internet Explorer now. Okay, let's wait. Go. I'm sorry for that. It was my mistake. But first, we are going to run this command, which is the GP update force. As we explained in the last video, this will force the GPO to update and not wait for 90 minutes to open the or apply the GPO. So let's open the Internet Explorer. And as expected, we are the IE is now enabled to the user Clyde Balaman. So the next dude.
So let's create new GPO. The
Okay.
last GPO we created was under the IT organizational unit because the user Clyde Balaman that we applied, the GPO was from the IT or
Mm-hmm.
organizational unit.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
The GPO that we are going to create applies to a computer.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go to Active Directory Administrative Center.
Okay. Let's wait. Uh, okay. What is that? Active Directory. Okay.
So after that, go to the CCS local,
Okay.
then go to the IT,
Okay.
and find the user that we are going to use. And we can see the user, Clyde Balaman, is there, but no computers. Computers are located by default under the computers container and is not visible in the group policy console.
So as we can see in here, let's wait for a minute. That the computer are located in the computer's container. So Earl.
So after creating the new GPO, we can link the GPO with two options. First, create organizational unit and put the computer in there. And second, create and link the GPO under the domain name and the GPO will apply to all computers in the domain. So first, GPM, let's go to GPM.
So okay, let me navigate. So GPM. Okay, we are now in the GPM.
Then right click on the domain name,
Okay.
then create GPO.
Mm-hmm.
After that, we can disable Internet
Okay.
Explorer.
Uh, I think that's the name.
Yes. Then okay.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
It is linked to the domain CCS www.uic.edu.ph. So, Sherika, you're next. Sorry, it's my mistake. Now, let's continue. Now, let us edit the GPO. First, go edit GPO.
Okay, edit.
Then, computer config. After the edit, computer config.
Okay, wait. Let's wait. Okay. Computer config. Okay, I'm now
Okay,
in
so
there.
let's go to policies.
Mm-hmm.
Policies.
Policies.
Then, Windows settings after the policies.
Windows settings. Okay, I've
Then,
seen it.
security settings.
Security settings in 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Then, software restriction policies.
Software restriction policies. Uh,
So,
security settings.
yes, then software restriction policies. Just
Okay, now in here. So,
so for the first time, it will display a message that there is no restriction policies defined.
okay, as we can see in here. So,
Let's create a new settings. So kindly please click software restriction policies. Right click
okay,
that one. After that, new software restriction policies.
okay,
Now, let's prevent the user from running Internet Explorer. Let's create policy in additional rules.
okay, additional rules.
Okay, let us now set the path where the IE is located. Kindly right click the new path rule.
Okay, done.
Let's copy the path name of IE.
Okay, so first we are going to locate where are the IE or Internet Explorer is located. So, let's find it in here. Program files, Internet Explorer as we can see it, and then let's copy the path, put it in here, and then up. And then what are we going to
Upper
do next?
click um oh, click security level.
Okay, then
Right
disallowed,
after that, disallowed and okay.
apply. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so after that, let's open the Windows 10 again, and then as what instructed, let's put GP update. Let's force the GPO because it will take 90 minutes to see the effect. So instead of waiting 90 minutes, let's just force the update. Okay, let's enter. Let's wait for 1 minute. Okay, the update is now complete. Let's test if the IE will open or Internet Explorer will open. And as we can see, it doesn't open. So now the GPO works. So let's confirm it just to be sure. So you can see it opens very slight in time and then it closes again. Okay. So now let's switch users just to confirm that it will work to other users. So let's sign out or switch account. So as you can see, we are now signed out to Clyde Balaman. Let's try signing in j.smith and then the password is admin 2016. Click enter. Oops. I'm sorry, my mistake. As we can remember, in the previous task, we set up a restriction time that this specific user, which is John.Smith, will not log in from a specific time. So I think that's 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. He is not allowed to log in on this computer. So we are just going to use another user, which is the, okay, let's pause. So instead, we are going to use the account of our dean, which is Eric Emberda, and then admin TT16 is the password. Hmm.
Sige.
So let's enable instead the John Smith account. So to enable him from logging in on this hour, which is, I think it's in this specific computer is 1:19 a.m. So instead of restricting him to log in on those hours, let's allow him instead. Okay. So log on permitted and then okay. Apply okay. And I think we should now log in as J. Smith or John Smith. So J. Smith and then admin 2016. And sure enough, we are logged in. Okay, so after that, that's our goal of logging in here is to make sure that the GPO or the rule of disabling the Internet Explorer works. Okay, so let's open the Internet Explorer in this user and see if it works. Okay, so now we are signed in the John Smith user. So let's click on Internet Explorer. Okay, so as we can see, let's confirm it again. So you can see that GPO works, which is disabling the Internet Explorer on a computer. So now the problem is that we didn't restrict a specific computer to which the GPO applies. And by default, it will apply to all computers underneath the domain ccsuic.edu.ph. So to do to apply the GPO to a specific computer, let's apply a filter. So, dude, can you
So first, go to your Windows server,
okay,
then go to the
GPM.
TPM.
Okay, wait a minute. I am going to find it, GPM.
After you find
Okay, after
GPM,
that,
go to
mm-hmm.
the security filtering,
Okay, I'm in here now. And then,
add, click add,
okay, click add, then
go to the advanced,
advanced.
object types,
Okay,
and uncheck accept computers.
okay, so basically we are going to contrast this, okay? So instead of checking all of the above, we are just going to go check computers and then
Click
click
OK.
OK. And
Now
then,
go find now,
okay, so where is it? Okay, find now. Okay.
then select
Mhm.
the preferred computer.
Okay, so let's select the preferred computer, which is the station one as model which is this station running on the side. Okay, let's click OK.
And after that, remove authenticated users.
So as we can see, the authenticated users here are to be removed. Okay.
Okay.
So I think that's all of it. Only the this station will now be prohibited to access Internet Explorer, and all of the stations or computers are naglag pa. Dahil lang isa
Mana?